Welcome back to A&W Outdoors. Today we're gonna be going out to Guntersville, and we are all bundled up because it is 26 degrees this morning. So I don't know if you guys can see me or not, but it's cold. We're going out with a buddy, and yeah, hopefully it'll be fun. Hopefully we go catch them. But yeah, we'll see y'all on the water.
Now, slow down your reel. Don't make it hold in place. Just shake. You shake it, you hold it up top. Or you need to let it sink a little bit. Slow down your reel, stop shaking it, and you can work it down and that down. There's so much bait I can't see.
There it is. Little. Number one though. Just let it sink for like a second or two. There you go. Got another one. I got one. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's a good one. I think. I can't tell from
I can't catch a fish.
You'll be alright.
it's 3 pounder, I think.
Hold up.
Maybe.
See this here.
Oh yes.
Here, so on the left side, there are pole tags. Put number 1 on them.
Okay.
But on the screen, on the side there,
Yeah.
hit this one. And you put it on the
Wait, what?
passenger side. Grab the first one down here to the opposite side. Hit this one on this screen.
What? I'm sorry.
Screen right here.
Uh-huh.
This
Thank you. There it is. Can't tell. Feels small. Too small. That's a keeper. There you go. Thank you. There we go. Got him. You want me to click anything? You want me to click? Okay. Yeah, that's a good fish listing. Keeper. Nice, dude. Hold that one up. Hold it up real quick. What you get it at? Just for a second. Let's hold this right here. Let's go. Got him, sir. Good? Good one? Ooh, he didn't look too bad. Keitech. Good net. That's not too bad. Oh, that's a 3 pounder. He's so fat. right here. Be your net man for today. Against me? I'm the same team here, dude. Oh, that's a good one. Keeper. Nice keeper. I think he'll keep. I think he goes. Are they up closer to the bank, listen? That's a keeper. Yeah. He'll go 15. You need to call him out pretty quick, though. Yeah, I don't know if that's 5 or not. I think that's 5. Yeah, we need to make sure we have 5. Okay.
What's our
Got him. No, I don't think it's too big. I'll take a jerkbait like that. Yeah, he's big. Yeah, look at that. Head first. There we go, boys. You mind if I throw your vault out there? Little dude. Got him now. Found the quarter, the vault. There's bait and a lot of this crap. Got him. Doubled up. Yours good? Mine's good. I gotta get one. Please. Mine's a good one. I think mine's a good one. This is fighting hard. Feels heavy. He's alright. I think he may call. Yeah, he's gonna call. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Jeez, he's bigger than that. No, he's not full. Really? Oh, yeah, he's bigger than that. Long, dude. Good go. Finally got one after a big dry spell. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's me. Lessons gotta go one. It's a big one. I think it looks like a good one. Oh yeah. Nice one. Woohoo! Oh, got it. Saw him come off the bottom and get it. I'm barely sinking the reel, putting 10 feet on him. That was heavier. Oh man. Oh heck yeah. Heck yeah. Oh, he's gonna be close to coming. Gosh, I saw him shoot up off the bottom for it. Me neither. Fish. Yeah, see that. I don't know. Okay. Well, putting a 3.5 pounder back for almost 4 pounder. Giant. I'm doing a little bit of dock fishing. Seems like the quality is just not on docks this time of year. This time of year at least, but got him? Yeah. Nice little. Not little, but not a coalfish, is he?
Not a goldfish.
Nice. I also caught one of the pups.
But they were following it, and finally what I did was I just dead sticked it. But I kept it off bottom, but I was dead sticking it, so I was very, very slowly reeling.
Yeah. Got it. That one thumped it. I don't know. Feels good though. Yeah, getting that. This feels like a big one. Oh gosh, that's something big. Might be the one. It's a bass. Doesn't really feel like it. It feels like a catfish. Oh my gosh. My gosh, it's a big drum.
Yeah, that guy was.
Treble hooks. Not much. Oh. Come on. Gosh. Oh my goodness, that might be her. I watched him come up and smoke it. Is it a catfish? Yeah.
Catfish.
Yep. got me excited. Ugh. My goodness, that was... Yes. That thing hit me so hard. I was just going above the grass and all of a sudden I saw it just kind of pop up and then just donk.